Hi guys, so today we are going to learn if there are entries in different clear account but in the main same main bank account, how we will match. So just to give you the hint, if we take this example 6.33, it is in account 3007. So it is the main bank account is 3000, but when it is coming from the bank, it is coming in 3007 account based on the BTC code. But when AP made the payment, it went through 3006. So that is why if you see in the reprocessed bank statement, if you see all the open items, you cannot see all, only 6.3 is there. You cannot see, sorry, the other, like, you cannot see it to match it. So because what happened that we configure BTC code in such a way that if some entry is coming from uh, the checks, should come in this thing 3006, but somehow there is a conflict in the rule, and these entries, even it is made through the checks, it is coming in 3007 account. 3007 is for EFT. So what is going on that we have to match it. So one manual way is that you can pass a JV, transfer these entries to 3006 and then match it. But there's another way uh, from which you can just match it and clear the item without passing a JV. So main thing is that your main bank account should be the same. So our main bank account is 3000, but what is happening that from the bank it is coming in 3007, but when AP made the payment, it is going through 3006. So but we have the parent or the main bank account is same, so we can I will show you how we can match it. So I can give you further, like 3006. So when AP made the payment, it is going through 3006. So if we open this thing, go to I believe it's 21st, you can see that 21st of May entries are there, 6.34 million, 1.5. So these entries from when AP made it, it is going from this account. You can see that, maybe, yeah, ZP is there. So ZP means that AP is making payment through F110 or whatever the T code. But from the bank, when it is coming in 3007. You can see that 6.3 is there, 4.3 million, 1 million. So because of BTC code, this is happening. So now I will show you how. Again, one solution is that you can make a JV transfer either from here to here or from 007 to 006 and match it, or there's another way. So for this to match it, we need a reference number. So normally in empty file, the reference number is there, but in our case, reference number is not coming yet. We asked the bank to provide the reference number. So what is reference number? I can also mention, like, for if we go to this. So this memo line is the in that there should be a reference number. So memo line is when you have a manual bank statement, there's a description for this transaction. So this is what the memo line is. So in empty file, the reference number should be there with all the details. On that basis, system will match it. But as the reference number is not coming in our statement, so we manually do it. So to get the reference number, just go to the monitor payments, and these are the payments we made, and you can see that these are the reference number 107. So with the help of this, the system will automatically match it, and you don't need to pass a JV. So we can do one or two examples, like 6.3. The reference number is there. if it is not coming there because of filter, otherwise you just go inside, and also you can find a reference number here at the top as well. So I just made it, I just included through the filters use, so that's why it is handy for me to just. So this is the reference number 4308. I will go there, reprocess again. I will show you 6.3 is there. I go there, just paste it with space or without space is fine. Select with the payment file reference, this 45, select this thing. See, 6.3 is already there. The account is 3007. I can show you the entry. Currently it is there. The main bank account is credit, means it is going out, and the clearing account is debit. So what we are doing now, the second step, that we want to match it or clear it to complete the circle. So we put the reference number here, we select this thing, payment file reference number, and press allocate button. Open item select was available, remove. Are you sure want to continue? Yes, we want to continue. See, either the reference number I copied is wrong. Yeah, with sometime it works with this without space, but if you can just put the space and then so you can see that this entry is there. It is coming, this entry 230 is 238, and even 238 is coming from 238 is coming from this account 3007. See this one, and we are matching it in 3007. So we are matching 6.33 in 307 with this one. So both are different account, but because the common thing is the reference number, so we can match it. So that is, we can do this. We can, if we simulate, you can see the accounting entry, what accounting entry will be there. So this is the accounting, and 006 007, it is coming. Now let's post it. Journal entry is posted. We can just, I will just copy it just for my reference. Okay, so it is, this is the entry. Now, so you can see that this is the main entry 3003,007. So this one is the first entry, ZR, and it is cleared with this entry which we made just now. And so this is something new, that before we are always seeing that whenever we clear, so same account will be debited and credited, but as the main account is same, different clearing account can be used. So these are clearing entry. So this is done. It is no more here. And if we try to just fill the information, just want to check it. 6.3. This is the 6.3 one. So it is clear now in the display. It should, when we refresh it, it will go out. So when we, let's see, whether it's allowed to refresh or not. Yeah, it will be there. You have to just run it again. So in open item, you will not see 307. 63 is gone. If you will go to the cleared one, then it will come 307. So this is there, and if we see 306, so everywhere it is cleared. So this is how we can clear it. We can do the we have the reference number for this. This one is, if you see that it is rejected by the bank, so we can just leave it. So in that way we can clear all the other entries as well. only the received by the bank, not the rejected. So for this 4 million, we can just copy this thing. 4.3 million, go here, because these are in the three, just auto was not completed, posted. So this is the one I believe. 4.3. See, the reference is missing. So in empty file, if it is properly comes, it has a reference number and then the system automatically, we don't need to, but in our case, it is not configured properly. So that's why we are just putting, so just to put a 55 weight, it's 55, yes, it is there. Just put this thing again, select this 45. Okay, so see, and in this case, I did not put any space, but still it is. And can I make more than one entry? Just one. So this one is also there. Just checking. Alright. So, so this one is 273. 273. I don't think so. Let's see. No, there's only one you can do it. So balance is zero. You have to make sure that balance is zero. You can simulate again same entry, clearing out. Both are different, but yes. So we can post it back. No, the last one is this. So you have to make sure that received by the bank, not the rejected by. So before it was rejected, now it is received by the bank. And we go here and this one, I think. Balance is zero. Post it back. So this one is done. This one is done. 90 is also there. So we have to check whether we have 90. Yes, 90 is there. So 90 is there. It is received by the bank. Okay. 25th. So these are the entries which are done. And this 189,500 has a reference number. See by the bank. I have to check whether 89,500. 89,500. 89,500 is there. So in which account it is coming? It's coming also there. So let's see whether it is coming or not. 89,500. Oh, it has multiple entries. So because it has multiple entry, and if you see the balance is 0, so you can match it. And if we see this simulation, same story, yeah, same story, 006 and 007. So balance is 0, so we can post it back. Then 3638, 3638, 3638, we dot. So it is received by the bank, 3638 received, rejected by the bank. So this one is received by the bank, 77,448. 77,448. So there is something going on with the badges. So I believe some of the entries it is because we just newly configured this thing. So I think that's it. So this is how you can just say if the clearing account are different but the main account is same, you can, with the help of the reference number, you can match it. Go there, reprocess, and select the payment reference method and allocator. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.